Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows distended gallbladder with cholelithiasis associated with choledocholithiasis and a hepatic mass. You can see the gallbladder and it is distended to its maximum, and a large amount of thick sludge is seen in the whole length of the gallbladder, and it is thick walled also. Choledocholithiasis is the presence of stones in the bile duct. The stones can form in the gallbladder or in the duct themselves. These stones cause biliary colic, biliary obstruction, gallstone pancreatitis or cholangitis, bile duct infection and inflammation. You can see a stone is seen in the neck of the gallbladder. Cholelithiasis involves the presence of gallstones, which are concretions that form in the biliary tract, usually in the gallbladder. Choledocholithiasis refers to the presence of one or more gallstones in the common bile duct. You can see a mass in the lower portion of the liver. Now you can see the bile ducts are dilated and two stones are seen in the intrahepatic portion of the bile duct. Typical signs and symptoms of cholelithiasis include abdominal pain that is episodic but constant in character, localized in right upper quadrant, epigastrium and may radiate to the right side. Nausea and vomiting are common and tend not to relieve the pain. Anorexia, icterus, and dark urine. Now you can see a mass in the lower portion of the right lobe of the liver. The mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency but is slightly rectangular in shape. This is the mass in the right lobe of the liver. Now the symptoms of blocked bile ducts are symptoms of a blocked bile duct include yellowing of skin, jaundice, and eyes, icterus from the buildup of waste product called bilirubin, itching, not limited to one area, may be worsen at night or in warm weather, light brown urine. Now you can again see the mass in the lower portion of the right lobe of liver. This is the mass. If a stone completely blocks the ducts of the gallbladder, liver, common bile duct, or pancreas, other symptoms may include nausea, fever, chills. Now you can see the mass, and this mass measures about 5.7 centimeter into 1.8 centimeter. The most common cause of severe acute pancreatitis is gallstone blocking the pancreatic duct. This can sometimes occur even if the gallbladder has been previously removed. When triggered by excessive alcohol consumption, acute pancreatitis usually resolves itself with rest and avoiding from drinking. When the bile duct become blocked, bile build up in the liver and jaundice, that is yellow color of the skin, develops due to the increasing level of bilirubin in the blood. The possible Cause of a blocked bile duct include cyst of the common bile duct, enlarged lymph nodes in the porta hepatis. Women are more likely to develop cholesterol gallstones than men, especially during their reproductive years when the incidence of gallstones in women is 2 to 3 times that in men. The difference appears to be attributable mainly to estrogen, which increases biliary cholesterol secretion. Abdominal ultrasound is performed, and this is most commonly used to look for signs of gallstones. Abdominal ultrasound involves moving a device transducer back and forth across the stomach area. When gallstones are diagnosed, there may be some uncertainty about whether the stones have passed into the bile duct. Gallstones in the bile duct are sometimes seen during an ultrasound scan. If they are not visible but your test suggests the bile duct may be affected, you may need an MRI scan or a cholangiography. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.